Hello, greetings. This is Gabby, but on this platform, I am GabbyBaddd Curly. Welcome to my channel. Happy New Year's. Whenever this video does come out, happy 2023. It was a great year for me to heal and get myself growing and glowing and better and healing. So this was like my fun city girl life season. So now it's more of like a me season. But I want to get that out the way because it's a new year, so we got to start off with a bang. So I got a new smile, got a bag and fixed my teeth. Hope you, no, it ain't cheap. Got my teeth done, so I want to put that out there. Yes, I did get my teeth done, so I am acting a little low-key brand new. I am back with a new hair video. This hair video is Flexi rides. I haven't done Flexi rides in a very, very long time. This video is sponsored by Wondercurl. I am a new brand ambassador for Wondercurl, and I have one of her products with me. So shout out to Wondercurl. I will leave my discount code either down below or somewhere at the bottom of this video so you can get some stuff and some goodies too. This is the Curl Control Styling Lotion. This is the product. It is a gel like aloe vera. It has pro vitamin B and humidity proof for all hair types, and it's also vegan. Here are my Flexi rides. These are my Dollar Tree Flexi rides. Ain't nothing gonna change. I just doubled up more. I see some. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm watching Dead to Me on Netflix, and I just found out that Jen is pregnant. What? First, Judy had cancer, and now Jen's pregnant, and Ben's the baby daddy? This is kinky. So I got the first side done. Y'all like it? Y'all like it? Y'all like it? It's giving Fairy Odd Parents, Cosmo and Wanda, with a little bit of poof. With the blue. I think he was purple. Y'all get the point. Y'all get the point. Y'all get the point. I'm praying for great results. The gel itself is really lightweight. It's giving aloe vera for sure. But right now my hair feels dry. Like when I put the gel in, it feels dry. So I feel like my dry time would be, but the way it's feeling, it don't even feel wet. Like they feel dry. Like it's scary. Break this up as short and easy as possible, since a lot of my content watchers do not like watching long videos, so I'm trying to shorten them up as short as possible. Like I said before, this gel, I feel like it's making my hair have shine, and it's a heavy hold, which I love. It's like a really drying fast. I love fast drying gels. Like they are a blessing. Shining, baby. Shining, 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 yeah. This is what we got, 360. and I will see you guys soon. Good morning, we're back. It is 10:30 in the morning. I did not sleep well. I'm not even gonna hold it to y'all. I did not sleep well. I had a neck pillow and I slept face down and I slept like this. Like I had to sit, you know, real pretty down because I'm really pushing. I gotta be at work at 11. It's 10:25. You do the math. The math ain't mathing. It was a Wondercurl Curl Control Styling Lotion. This is what I used. The only product that I used in my hair. I think I used half the bottle. I'm down to here now. So I'm heavy-handed with products too, so that could have been my doing. But yeah, so far so good. It claims to no flakiness, no hardiness, no crunchiness. Layer this with a powerful styling aid to achieve defined curly hairstyles according to your taste and mood. First one, baby, first one. Okay. Beautiful. No flake so far, no flake, no flake. Excuse me if I look really tired because I am, child. I'm not a morning person. This is probably the earliest video I've ever done. Ever. So far, so good. Look at the shine though on this. Wondercurl, baby. How you give me this much shine on one product? I just wanna know. I just wanna know. Wow, okay, they're all out. Do a shape test. Non-separated. I don't see any flakes in my hair, so that's a good sign. Almost done, y'all. Oh my God, this looks so good. We'll check it out. This is bouncy, baby. It's giving Miss Shirley Temple, baby. Like what? I probably missed some, so I'm trying to rush out, but it's giving Miss Shirley Temple, baby. Wondercurl. You did not disappoint. Look at the shine I got. The shine, the bounce, the hold. It dried so fast. This is the fastest gel I've ever used for a Flexi Rosette. My name is GabbyBaddd Curly. This is a Flexi Rosette by Wondercurl. Use my code. I will link down below or at the bottom of this video. It's the Curl Control Styling Lotion. And she did her thing. And I will see you guys in a later video. See you soon. Bye.